Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really exciting to share with you today, especially if you're into marketing or running a business online. You know how frustrating it can be dealing with complicated tools, expensive agencies, or spending endless hours trying to perfect your marketing materials. It can feel like a never-ending uphill battle. But what if I told you there's a tool that practically works like magic? Yep, I'm talking about MarketingBlocks AI. And trust me, when I say it's a game changer, I mean it. Let me start with my first impression. At first, I was skeptical because, let's face it, the market is flooded with AI tools promising the moon and the stars. But the second I started using MarketingBlocks AI, it felt different. It's like having a full-fledged marketing team at your fingertips, but without the hefty price tag or endless back and forth. Here's how it works. You start with a simple keyword. That's it. From there, MarketingBlocks AI generates pretty much every marketing asset you could think of. Landing pages, promo videos, ads, graphics, you name it. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer, coder, or even a wordsmith to get professional-grade results. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you, and it does it incredibly well. One thing that absolutely blew my mind was the AI's ability to create 100% original content in any niche and even in multiple languages. For example, I tested it with a random keyword, something super niche, and it nailed it every single time. The content wasn't just generic fluff, it was sharp, professional, and ready to go. Another thing I love about MarketingBlocks is how user-friendly it is. They've really nailed the interface. Whether you're building a landing page, editing a video, or designing an ad, everything is drag and drop. No crazy skills or learning curve required. For someone like me who's always juggling a million tasks, this tool is a lifesaver. Oh, and let me tell you about the AI's video capabilities. You can generate video scripts, create human-like voiceovers, and even turn your text into full-blown AI videos. There's also an option to clone your own voice, which is just next-level cool. I played around with it, and honestly, the results were so good that even I couldn't tell the difference. And it doesn't stop there. Have you ever struggled to clean up an image or remove a background? With MarketingBlocks, it's literally a one-click process. What used to take me ages in other tools now takes seconds. It's those little features that make a huge difference when you're trying to save time and keep your workflow smooth. Now, let's talk about the cost savings. If you've ever hired a marketing agency or used multiple tools to handle different parts of your campaign, you know how quickly the expenses add up. MarketingBlocks combines everything into one platform. So not only are you saving money, but you're also cutting down on the hassle of managing multiple subscriptions. And for those of you who work with clients, this tool is a gold mine. You can create and sell high-quality marketing materials, and the end product looks so professional that people will assume you're a marketing genius. Honestly, it's like having a secret weapon in your business arsenal. I've been using MarketingBlocks for a little while now, and I have to say, it's hard to imagine going back to the old way of doing things. Every task that used to feel tedious and time-consuming is now quick, easy, and dare I say, fun. It's rare to find a tool that not only meets expectations but exceeds them on so many levels. So, if you're looking to level up your marketing game without breaking the bank or losing your sanity, I highly recommend giving MarketingBlocks AI a try. It's innovative, efficient, and incredibly versatile. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.